Welcome to the AMP Motorization video series. This installment will cover setting up a bridge. First, connect the AMP bridge to a USB power source. Some homes may have electrical outlets with USB ports, or you can simply use a regular cell phone charger with a USB port. Once plugged in, the bridge will start blinking red, looking for a Wi-Fi connection. On your smartphone, search for AMP in the App Store and download the app. If used in a commercial environment, permission authorization of the device needs to be made prior to connection. Open the app and create an account using your valid email address and a password. A valid email address will be needed if your password is forgotten. It's now time to add the bridge to the app. Make sure the Apple or Android device is connected to the same Wi-Fi that the bridge will be connected to. Tap the plus sign to add a new device and select the Add Shade/Bridge option. Next, select USB Bridge. Enter the Wi-Fi password and press Connect. Press and hold the setting button on the bridge for 2 seconds until the light flashes purple. Go to the device's Wi-Fi settings and choose the Wi-Fi that starts with USB-Bridge from the list. Once the Wi-Fi is connected, go back to the AMP app. You'll see the pairing process is active. When it finishes pairing, the bridge light will turn solid blue. Click Next to name your bridge. Try to keep it simple and relevant, like Kitchen Bridge. Keep in mind that multiple bridges may be connected, and the bridge or bridges can be connected to multiple shades. Tap Done to complete the bridge connection process.